Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix DeepSeek AI not working on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to fix DeepSeek AI not working on your mobile phone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. Today I'll be showing 3 methods to fix the problem of DeepSeek AI not working. And the first one is just make sure that you have connected to the fast and stable internet connection, because DeepSeek AI application may not respond when you are connected to the slow internet connection. So make sure that you have connected to the fast and stable internet connections. And even after connecting to the stable internet connection, DeepSeek AI is not working, then you have to go to your Google Play Store and search for DeepSeek AI. And if there is an update option, then you have to update your DeepSeek AI application to the latest version to use this application smoothly. And even after updating your DeepSeek AI, you are not able to use the DeepSeek AI application, then you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on apps option, and in the search bar search for DeepSeek AI, and this type of interface will be shown. And scroll down and tap on storage option, and here you have to clear all the data and cache, because this unnecessary data and cache may arise a problem in the application. So you have to clear all the data and cache to run this application smoothly. And to clear all the data and cache, you have to tap on clear data and tap on delete. And after deleting the unnecessary data and cache, you'll be able to use DeepSeek AI on your mobile phone. And even after doing all this method, you are not able to use DeepSeek AI application onto your mobile phone, then you have to wait patiently, because that AI may not be available for that time because of many people using at the same time. So you have to wait patiently for a couple of hours. So by doing this, you'll be able to fix the problem of DeepSeek AI not working. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.